Hello, Mike here from your Successful Affiliate Influencer. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below, then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. Today we are going to talk about how to make a YouTube video. Now I use two programs to make my videos. I record my videos with Screen-O-Matic, and then I do my editing with Filmaro. Now then, with Screen-O-Matic and with Filmaro, you can download both of these programs for free. But to be able to export your videos, you will need to upgrade in both of them. Now, if we talk about Screen-O-Matic, Screen-O-Matic costs me $36 every 3 years. So it's not once a month or every 12 months, it's $36 for 3 years, which is a very good price. Also with Filmaro, with that one, I pay a one-off fee and that's it. And that costs me $76 and no more money at all. So you have got that for a lifetime. I will now take you into Screen-O-Matic and show you how to use it. It's a very easy program to use. You don't need to be technical with this. There are quite a few other programs out there which need a lot of technical expertise, and I'm no technical man, and Screen-O-Matic is so very easy to use. So I'll switch my screen over now to Screen-O-Matic. Now here we are in Screen-O-Matic. It's a very easy program to use. Now I'm actually logged into my Screen-O-Matic and you can see the program there. What you normally do, you would just log in, and then what you would do then, you've got here where it says start recorder, you would press that and then it will bring up the screen for you to start recording on. And I'll show you what that screen looks like now. There we are. This is a still of me on screen. You can see there that you've got three different programs you can use. The program you saw me just now, which is this one, it's the full screen here. That's no picture of me whatsoever. That just shows up whatever you want in the background. This one is the webcam, which is what this one is on now. Or you can have this one here, the webcam, and also the screen as well, which puts a small picture down in the corner, down in the far corner there, and then you just have a picture of yourself there as well. There you are. Now you can see the one where we got the small picture down in the corner, and then you've got this whole area here which you can have a background picture in. This here, this black box section here, you would normally take that out by just clicking down below, but I'm just showing you this as to see what's actually in the program itself. So it's very easy to use, straightforward, no problems, no technical issues needed on this program at all. It's so easy. Now as you see here, although you can see the background of the video here, in here, if you want to, you can actually put your script in behind here without anybody else seeing it, and you can actually read your script, and you're also actually recording your full face also at the same time. So it's a very easy program to use, something I would thoroughly recommend for you to use. There we are, as you can see now. There's my script below, which I can read, and then up above here, I'm actually recording myself up above here. So as I say, it's a very easy program to use. Anybody can use this. As I say, you might be somebody who's like an actor who can remember what you need to say, and you don't need to put a script up there. But especially if you're starting out to do YouTube videos, then it's a good way to actually start recording your videos so that you don't forget what you actually want to say in your video. Now when you finish your recording and you press the word done, you will then be taken to this on your Screen-O-Matic screen, and here you will come up to video file. you can actually, if you want to, if you've done a complete video and you don't need to do any editing, you can put it straight to YouTube, but I wouldn't advise that. You really do need to go to your editor to check everything out. So I would suggest that you go to here and you click Video File. Then this will come up where it says file name, what folder you want to put it into, which would be documents in your laptop, and then you will press publish. I'll show you what comes up when you actually do file name. When file name comes up and you press on that, this will come up, and then you will be able to write in the file name, obviously whatever your YouTube videos about, you name it, and then when you go into your documents, this will show up in your documents as this YouTube video. As I say, then you would click on documents, and once you've clicked on documents, then you will click on publish, then it will publish and then go into your YouTube, into your documents in your laptop or computer or whatever. This is what will come up when it says publish the video file. You just wait for it until it comes up to 100%, and then it will tell you that everything's done. All you do then, the word will come up OK. You just click OK, and then your video is done for you. There you are. You see how easy Screen-O-Matic is to use. You don't need to be a technical person, so you don't need expensive programs to do your filming, and you can do it on your laptop, or if you use a computer. It's so easy to do. Now, I made 3 short videos now to actually put this program together. So now we will go over to Filmora, and I will show you how to edit your program and put these 3 together. Right, as I click this now, that will take you to where my documents are. I just click onto my documents and I scroll down to find which one I need to edit. If I go down through, if I come on to this one, how to make a YouTube video, if I just click on there, there we are, that comes up the top there. Now, if you want to, as I say, I've got 3 videos here which I need to put together. So all I do then, I go up to the top here where it says import again, click on that, go down to media files again. That will take me again into my programs, and I scroll down again, and then I find out, and then where are we? No, I'm trying to find which one I want now. Hold on a minute. There we are, video 2. So if I just double click, and there it comes up. I won't do the other videos because I've got to complete this editing with this video I'm now actually recording with you now. So all you need to do then is to get it down into here. Now then, one thing I will tell you now, when you click on, just do 1 click. If you do 2 clicks, it will come down, double down into the editing. And you only, as I say, you only want 1. So if you just do 1 click like that, and then it will come up to say match to media. Always click that, match to media. Just to click on there, and there you are. It's come down into the bottom there. And then if you wish to then add on your next video, then all you come down is come down there, do that again, 1 click, and then that will add it on to the end there. Okay, now then, once you've done that, and now you want to put your name up there, as which my videos are always come up as your successful affiliate influencer, which you want to put, I need to put this along here. Now it also does say how to make a YouTube video 2. Now that will not show up when you come to do your, once your video editing has been done. But to say what I need to do now, if I come on here, and I bring this all the way back like this, to the beginning, so that I can get my title there. If I press on titles, this will come up. Then next to there, I got I need to move my screen across a minute for you to see. Here you will have titles come up again. Now if I press titles again, there we are. Now this is what you want, and this is the one I use. All I do is click on there, and you see that's come up there. If you do a double click, that will come up, and you come across here, double click, and there you are again. All I need to do then is I can then hang on, doesn't want to do it. I can move this down. There we go. I can move that down to wherever I want it, just there. I now want to lengthen that there. I want to make it smaller this way, so I can do that like that. Then come across here. If I leave it like that, then I come across here, click on there, then I take those words out, and I can put your, now normally I will put your successful affiliate influence, but just for this now, I'm just going to put demo up there, D-E-M-O. That's all I'm going to do. Then all you need to do then is click OK, and that's done now. And then all you need to do then, once that's done, is come up here, press export. Now, what I've not told you before is, when I said you need to upgrade to pay the one-off fee for Filmaro, when you download Filmaro, do not go into the pricing section, because if you go into the pricing section, it will then get you to either want to do it every month or every 12 months. Don't do that at all. Wait until you come to export it. It's not going to show up on my video now because I've obviously already paid for it. But when you go into export, it will come up again that you need to upgrade. Then it will come up as two sections. One, either to pay monthly, which you'd have to do every 12 months actually, but it also works out every month, or the one-off fee. Just pay the one-off fee, which I think was around about $76. That's it. That's for a lifetime. You don't need to do it again. Okay? Now all you then come down to do, then it will bring you back to this. You come here, you then take this out, put the title of your video in, which I would do demo again, D-E-M-O. Click here, and then all you would do then is come down to here where it says export and press export. Now I'm not going to do that now because I don't want to export this video. As I say, I've got to put this video all together now, but as I say, that's all you need to do. Then that will export into your laptop. Okay, so if I do that, I'm going to click this out, and I will come back to you now. Okay. I hope I've given you enough knowledge to be able to use these two programs, Screeno-matic and Filmaro 9. As I say, they're two excellent programs to use. No technical knowledge needed to actually be able to use them. Very cheap to use. As I say, with Screeno-matic, $36 for 3 years. And then with Filmaro 9, that was $76, and that's lifetime, so you don't need to pay again. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe, please. Click the subscribe button below, then click the black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications when my next video comes out. Please leave a comment below and give a thumbs up for me, please. This is Mike signing off from your successful affiliate influencer.